It's easy to make a durable seam on woven fabrics even if you don't have a serger. Begin by placing the right sides of your fabric together, align the edges, and pin. Stitch along the edge using a 5/8 inch seam allowance. Now you'll need a pair of pinking shears. These are scissors with a zigzagged edge. The idea is that each diagonal or zigzag cut is a cut along the bias of the fabric, and when the fabric is cut along the bias, this greatly reduces fraying. Carefully trim the edge of your seam with pinking shears. It should look something like this, and depending on how much wear your project will get, this could be a sufficient finish. However, if you'd like to reinforce it, simply take your machine and sew another straight stitch between your pinked edge and the original seam. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this, please be sure you're subscribed to my channel and tap or click the notification bell. Please leave a comment if you have questions, a request, or just want to say hi. Links to my social media and other websites can be found in the description. Happy sewing!